Hey guys, welcome to today's second video. I decided to try and attempt a dog portrait. It might not be my very best, but I am working on learning how to draw fur, basically breaking down into shape and shading it that way. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy. This is my attempt at it, so I'm gonna continue practice, maybe dedicate a week to it or something, and see how that turns out. It might look a little creepy. That's not my attempt, but who knows? So I'm like to the point where I don't know where I want to take with my art. So I'm trying something new, and with pen, of course. So it's a safe way into trying something new, stay comfortable with. So yeah, I'm gonna put music on the rest of it, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.